And welcome to another psychology training. All right. In our last video, we dealt with the basic psychological beliefs you want to instill into yourself to be able to trade properly. The first of them is the fact that trading is reality, trading is life. In life, there is no get rich quick scheme. Trading actually is not a get rich quick scheme. Also, all right, and you really have to early enough accept that reality. That's number one. Number two, you have got to instill deep within yourself, all right, that in trading there will be losses. Now, this is the major thing that um 90% of traders out there are struggling to accept, and it's a major reason why they are not successful in trading. Everybody sits in their house probably during the weekend if you're a forex trader, currency pair, and all that, and you are wishing that next week you just take 5 straight trades, all of them hit TP, pa 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 pa. Now, it is very possible, but it tells us that you are yet to accept the fact that losing in the forex market is normal. We want trading to be what it is not, and trading is a fact that cannot change for us. We're the one who has to accept reality. You cannot run a school without paying your workers. You paying worker is you taking money and giving it out in a bid to make more money. That same worker is giving you a service that the parents of your children will pay bigger amounts for. The idea of trading is for you to make profit, not for you to receive free money. Profit means that expenses has been deducted from revenue. For many of us, what we want from trading is donation. What we want from trading is revenue. We don't want to incur any cost. If you are not incurring any cost, then it means that what you are getting is not a payment per se. It's better to call it a donation. It's better to call it a gift. Trading doesn't give gifts. Trading gives you profit. The trader's intention is to make profit. And if you're going to make profit, it means that you would actually put in some cost. You give out, and then by the time you receive bigger than you're giving out. So when you place a trade and you're coming back to check, hey, is he in profit? Is he in profit? It's because your mind does not actually want to give anything out. If you're not set to give things out in order to receive bigger, maybe you should not be trading at all. This is really not what I want to deal with. However, it's a good place to start. What I'm trying to help you to see here is that if you're going to trade completely well, stress free, and make good money, you will be comfortable with seeing a trade that is in your SL zone, and you are not thinking of what should I quickly do. Should I close in profit? Should I close this loss before it goes bigger? Should I bring down my SL? Should I? Should I? No, 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 no. That's not how to trade. Trading is you leaving your money on the line and you are comfortable with that money going away. That is what you do in business. Every business. When you are paying your workers, you're not thinking of, I should not pay them this month. You will pay them. You should pay them because you have already created a system that ensures that by the time your own money is coming in, is bigger than what you have given out. So everybody is a trader, whether you are in the market, that's forex market, or you are in the conventional market. It is the same thing. That is why it is called trading. You give something for something. All right. So I want you to begin to um embrace the fact that losses are normal. For me, the point in my trading journey where I realized that it is okay to take losses was very early. In fact, if I'm not making a mistake, I have discovered that before I came into trading. I watched this video some years back by Adam Cool, and it was talking about risk management. And that is the first place I got this idea that you can lose more trades than the number of trades you won, yet you're in profit. So the first time I started trading futures on Bybit, if I'm not making a mistake, yes, Bybit, I was trying to experiment that thing, and I realized that if I recollect well, I took 21 trades. That was some years back. I just wanted to see how true this is. I learned what is generally called SMC then, the concept of mitigation, which was order blocks and all that. And then I started trying to use that to take trades. I remember taking about 21 trades, out of which I lost, I think 15. Yes, I think I remember well. I lost 15 trades out of 21. And at the end of that series of trades, I was in profit. And I was like, really? And that's because for every trade I won, it is 1:3. For every trade I lost, I was losing one. So simple calculation. Say of course, I just said it that I lost 15 trades. So let's say I was risking $1 per trade. I have just lost $15 flat. But I won the remaining, how much is that? 5 plus 1, 6. I won the remaining 6 trades, right? And every of them is 1 to 3. That means for every trade I made $3 and I won 6 times 3, 18. I lost 15, I made 18. At the end of the day, I had $3 profit left. That is what told me that it's okay to lose. So I remember what I usually do then. I'm saying this to you. It might not be something that looks serious to you, but sincerely, this is the psychological shift that you need in your trading journey. I remember what I do then is like what the traditional hunters do. They go into the bush, they set their trap, they go back to their houses. Later in the evening, they come back to check the trap. If it has caught an animal, they rejoice. If it has not, then they try to prepare it for another catch. Add another flesh, add another fried fish or something that can attract the bush animals. That's exactly how I was trading then. Completely stress-free. In fact, I'm loving it. What do? I place my trade just before I go to bed at night. Whether it is instant execution or pending order, I set it, and the next thing is I go to bed. I mean, I'm about to sleep, so I do my analysis before I go to bed, and I place my trade. I sleep. I wake up to see the result. Has it hit SL, or it has hit TP, or it is about hitting TP? I don't even touch it. I don't even break even. It's amazing. I do not break even. And at the end of 21 trades, it was difficult. And I must admit, I lost 15. But just 6 trades that I won, I was at the end of the day in profit. I hope this is enough to tell you it is okay for your trade to go against you and hit SL. Yes, let it hit SL. Leave it to hit SL. So that was a long time ago. I just wanted to experiment that stuff, and I saw it. Wow. But I was at one point in my life where I could not really concentrate on trading. Okay. So much later, I'm back to the trading arena, and I wanted to make sure that this thing still works. So I took up a prop firm challenge, this time on a demo account. The first one I did was with my real money, that one I just described to you. But this time around, I decided to do a prop firm challenge on a demo account. I actually did it with synthetic pairs, not currency markets, not currency pair. And I picked the exact rules of a prop firm, exact $10,000 prop firm account. And I started trading. Exactly the same thing. I do my analysis last thing before bed. I placed my pending order. This time around, all my trades were pending orders because I don't like paying commission. All right. I hate commission. I really hate it. I mean, slippage. You will still pay commission, but I hate slippage. So I place pending order. I sleep. Of course, I'll sleep for say some 6 to 7 hours. So all through those 6, 7 hours, I have no influence on the trade. It's either it hits SL or it goes to hit TP. No break even. Trust me, this challenge took only 3 weeks. And in 3 weeks, I was done. I hit the target. I took 30 trades in total. I still have the trading journal, which I can share with you guys if need be. And out of the 30 trades, let me recollect. I think I lost 21 trades. Yes. I lost 21 trades. But I won the remaining 9 trades. Remember, I was not breaking even and all that. Although later on, my psychology stuff kicked in and I was trying to break even on some trades. But I remember I won just 9 trades in total. Just 9. And at the end of the day, I hit the target. I was risking 1% of the account per trade. I remember very well. What is the point? You need to create a system by which you will not touch your trades after they have been placed. Leave it to hit SL. Of course, if I won just 9 out of 21 trades, you can be sure there are times when I lost 3, 4, 5 trades back to back. Yes. But usually my next trade will be a 1 to 3. My next trade, 1 to 3. At a point, my strategy I was getting really good and I was catching 1 to 5. I'm sharing what is going to change your trading journey completely well. Some trades will stay in your SL zone for long, yet they will turn back and go hit TP. The problem with you is you are trying to influence the trade. So for many of those trades, you already closed out. That was a trade that was supposed to give you profit. Another trade that is already in your TP zone, but it has not hit TP, turn back and you are beginning to get scared and you decided to just close at that current profit. The trade eventually goes back and hits TP. The problem with you is that you are not allowing your trade to play out. I hope somebody hears what I just said. You are not allowing your trades to play out. Every single time you're like, hey, he wants to hit SL. Hey, he wants to leave it, let it hit SL. Another trade will cover up for it. I mean, you are scared of a trade in SL zone. You are still scared of a trade that is going in profit. Why? Because it has turned back. How then do you really want to trade and make money? Okay, so I do not intend for this particular video to be long, but I hope that this really tells you something. For some of you, you might have to start doing exactly what I just said. If you know you cannot take it, looking at a trade in SL, looking at a trade while it's running, then place your trades just before bed. That means you're going to be trading Asian session most of the time. And you can go do it on synthetic pair. They are running all the time. Morning, afternoon, night, weekend, everything all together, it's running. But find a way by which you can place your trade and you are okay with taking a loss. Trust me, if you are okay with taking a loss, you can catch a trade as high as 1 to 16. I've caught a 1 to 34 trade before. One trade. But for you to do that, you will see a trade at 1 to 16 go back to 1 to 4. And you still left it to play out. Yes. You must be okay with taking a loss. I think that's really what I want to hammer on in this particular video. You must be okay with taking a loss. I mean, all you need is to win 3 trades out of 10 with a 1 to 3 risk to reward. You're already in profit. If you're risking 1% per trade, you end up in good profit. Good profit. And 1% or 0.5% is what you should ideally use for a prop firm account. If you're trading a personal live account, for me, I like to risk between 3 to 5%. If I'm risking 5% and I win just 3 trades out of 10, I'm closing with 3R. That's 15% profit. That's not bad out of 10 trades. And if you can be strong enough to hold good trades for 1 to 4, sincerely, just 3 trades out of 10 has already given you probably some 20 to 25 or 30%. What more do you need? What more do you need? I told you in the last video, tune your expectation to reality. When you tune your expectation to reality, you will now know why. I had to go do my search and I discovered that the biggest prop firm traders out there right? The people trading the 100K dollars account, 400K dollars account, $1,000,000 account. Is there anything like that? $1,000,000 account, rather. Most of these guys, at the end of the month, their profit is just between 2 to 6% of the account. 2 to 6% of the account. So for a person that is risking 0.5% per trade, if they close with 2% profit, it means they only closed with 4R. That is close to just 3 trades out of 10. Just 3 wins out of 10. Or you took one trade, you hit TP, you took another trade, you hit TP, that's 6R already. And then you lost the next 2 trades. So 2 trades, 2 wins, 2 losses. Tune your expectation to reality. When your expectation is close to reality, you know that, okay, at my current level, I win 3 out of 10 trades. And you keep trading that judiciously. You are not trying to influence any trade. You place the trade and you forget it. So I think you should go with this thing called set and forget. Set the trade, forget it. Set the trade, forget it. Leave it to play out. I'm currently on a trade. It has entered SL. It has come back in profit. It has gone back into SL. And I'm here recording a video. Leave it to play out. You should be okay with taking a loss because you already have a system that covers your losses. I mean, if you can lose 7 trades and win only 3 wins out of 10 and you are in profit, why should you try to win every trade? I hope you know there's literally nobody out there that wins all trades. I mean, even the people that have been trading for 16 years that are extremely good, they don't win all trades. Let me shock you. The direct institutional traders, the ones that don't use trading view, the ones who don't use candlestick, the ones who actually use exochart. Maybe some of you don't know of these kind of things. There is what you call exochart. There's what you call DOM, depth of market. There's what you call alpha and delta charts, which is what you read on exochart. There are many more things. There are people who don't trade candlesticks like this. They are trading the actual order flow that is happening in the market. They are seeing where big people are placing the orders. They are seeing where the actual volume is. They are seeing where the people you call smart money actually place their trade directly. These guys also take losses. Nobody wins all their trades. So don't try to be fixated on one trade. Let it go well. Leave it if it does not want to go well. It's the market. Leave it. You just need to win 3 trades out of 10 if you are doing risk to reward of 1 to 3 like me. And trust me, my students know several 1 to 12. 1 to 12, leave it, let it play out. So if you can catch a 1 to 12 trade, just 1 win out of 10 trades, you're already in profit. I mean, you lost 9 trades, you won 1 that is 1 to 12. 12 minus 9 still gives you a plus 3. What am I trying to tell you? After you have set your expectation and tuned it to reality, my friends, the next very important thing, leave your trades to play out. You don't need to win all. I hope this has helped someone massively. I'm going to be ending the call now. Feel free to send me your questions. Don't forget to join the group, very important, and I'll reply your questions. Anticipate the next video. I'll also appreciate that you drop your comments here on YouTube. Thank you so much.